is chapter 5, capital market, the brief revision. So you may refer this lesson from our textbook page number 30 to 36. So in the capital market chapter, so far we have discussed introduction to capital market. Then 5.01 meaning and definition of capital market. 5.5 that is evolution and growth of capital market. Then 5.2 what are the characteristics of capital market? There are 5 characteristics. That is 5 points are there in the characteristics of capital market. Then 5.03 kinds of capital market. What are the types of capital market or kinds of capital market? That is primary market and secondary market. 5.3. Then 5.4 what are the various functions that are engaging in the capital market, or what are the importance of capital market in our country for the development of the national growth or acceleration of economic development. The functions and importance of capital market very much important for the acceleration of economic development. So it consists of 10 points. Then 5.06 new financial institutions. There are 8 institutions which are functioning or operating in the capital market. Venture fund institutions, mutual funds, factoring institutions, over the counter exchange of India, National Stock Exchange of India, National Clearance and Depository System, National Securities and Depository Limited, Stock Holding Corporation of India Limited. These are the 8 financial institutions which are functioning, operating in the capital market system of India. Apart from that, other market known as gilt edged market, foreign exchange market, commodity market and derivative market. These are the other market engaging in the capital market. So the entire question covered in page number 30 to 36. So 3 important 5-mark questions will be asked in this chapter. What are the 3 important 5-mark questions? Characteristics of capital market. What are the various characteristics of capital market? Which comprises of only 5 points. You go through that thoroughly. Then another 5-mark question, that is functions and importance of capital market, which consists of 10 points. So it is also a compulsory important question which are taken from capital market chapter number 5. And another important question in 5 mark, some new financial institutions, that which comprises of 8 institutions. So the remaining questions may ask from 2 mark and 3 mark questions. 3 5-mark questions which are most important. Characteristics of capital market only 5 points. Functions and importance of capital market 10 points. And new financial institutions in the capital market 8 institutions. So when you go through the lesson, you refer the textbook and taking of notes for 5-mark question, then you may explain the same with proper explanation. So don't mug up any answer. So simply go through and understand the concept and taking of points as hints and notes. You have to develop each and every point by your own sentence. So nothing too difficult. You simply go through the book. And the next chapter you will see in next class, that is money market. So unit 2 consists of, so I already told you, unit 2 consists of 3 chapters. Chapter number 4, financial market. Chapter number 5, just now we have finished, capital market. And one more chapter in the second unit which is known as money market. So there are 3 chapters in the second unit, which is 4th chapter, financial market, completed already. Just now we have completed chapter number 5, that is capital market, and the last one, money market, in the next class. So without any doubt, we have to refer thorough fully. I am explaining this lesson without omitting even a single line, and I am referring the entire lesson line by line and explaining as much as possible by me, and you also taking the same efforts, go through the lesson line by line and taking of notes and try to develop into paragraph answer.